Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to install this simple, unique LED light, not on the front but back of this canvas for some interesting and unique viewing experience. So let's get started. Alright, so we got this, as you can see, 8x10 canvas painting that I did, gallery wrapped, and things that you'll need to install, as you can see later on, is this LED light that I've purchased for about $12, including shipping, from Amazon. Let me show you what that looks like. Total. So it's this box that comes in like this, and you'll get a set of two sets of battery pack, as you can see. I'll be sure to include the link down below, and you'll be getting 4 of these unique LED light that we'll be installing, and on the back of it is a little magnet. And another tools that you might need is called as washers. This one is about $7 that I got, 1/8 by 1 inch washer from Home Depot, Lowe's actually, and you're gonna need this to have it installed on back of this canvas with this little magnet. Pretty strong, as you can see, and we'll get started on that. Okay, first, so what I want to do is whatever painting you have, you want to decide on the focal point where your eyes will be directed to, will be going towards. So this is for my painting is the focal point, and I just want to accentuate that with a little bit of LED lights. So I'm going to flip this over, as you can see right here. So you know what? Let me, another thing we should do is to mark the area that I want to make sure that. So I got this another light here. I'm gonna put this on the back of it, just to make sure where my light needs to be. So I want this light to be somewhere around here, somewhere this way, like this. Is where I want the lights to be focused on, just for my reference. First I'm going to get this washer right here, little washer, as you can see. And I would recommend that using a gallery wrap like this 1.5 inch gallery wrap. This one particular 8x10 canvas that I painted on is about spline right here, like this. So I'm gonna decide to, I'm gonna put this area washer right here like this, as you can see right here, like that. And, right here, you can just kind of dab that into place like that. Not too much, just enough to hold this in place. I'm just gonna drop it in, really easy like this. And I'm just gonna let this thing dry right here. Very simple washer. Again, this is a 1 inch washer that I got from Lowe's or any Home Depot home improvement centers. You can find that in the tools section, and it was about $7. LED light right here. This is the LED light with some magnet in the back, of course, and they pull out this protector right here. Pull this one out, and what it does is that you can basically twist this thing for the LED light right here, like that. And very simple. And what you do basically is let me turn this thing off right here, and put it right here. As you can see, it kind of snaps it into place right here, as you can see right here, like that. Snaps it into place, and you just adjust the angle of where you want the light to be facing right here. In my case, the circle area is what I want this LED light to be facing, and then you just turn this thing on like this. Really easy. Twist it here like that. And make the adjustment to say, you know, I want it to be this right here like that, right here like this. So that's the look I'm going for, the effect that I'm going for. And you can flip this over just to show you. You can see this lighted area that lights up the back of the canvas for some interesting visual effect as you view and enjoy this painting. Let me just pull this key light away just to kind of show you what it would look like. The very low light setting, as you can see. And this is a sunset kind of setting that I wanted to indicate of this tree painting, and that's how you do it. Alright, so this unique LED light, I'll include the links down below for those of you who are interested, and a simple DIY tip for you to kind of enhance your overall look and feel of your canvas painting.